Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Julian Dano Marquez. I'm 30 years old from Rizal, Cagayan. Ma'am and sir, I am single with one child. The age of my child is 11 years old. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
Ma'am and sir, I'm very honest person.
Why do you want to apply abroad?
Ma'am and sir, I want to support my family needs.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir, I work in Kuwait as domestic helper. I also work in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of small children?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Okay, how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
Be patient and attentive.
And what will you do if the baby is crying at night?
I will check the diaper and I will check the body temperature. I will check also if the baby is hungry.
Okay. What will you do if you become homesick?
I will focus on my work.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am and sir.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Okay. How do you describe your cooking skills?
I love cooking very much. I know how to cook Arabic foods and Filipino foods.
Okay. Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am and sir.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you promise to be loyal and honest to your future employer abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am and sir.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am and sir.
Do you have body tattoo?
No, ma'am and sir.
Do you have surgery?
No, ma'am and sir.
Do you have previous sickness in the past?
No, ma'am and sir.
Are you willing to share with the children and elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
What is your final message to your future employer abroad?
My future employer abroad, my name is Julian Dano Marquez. Ma'am and sir, I'm very honest person. Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your helper. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir.